Once you have been loaded a data, previous video we have been shown how to load the data. Once you have been loaded data, predefined one table already it is inserted, we can select that one, click on that, delete, hit delete key. Okay, like this we can delete the entire whatever you have in. By default it has been added, right? Then it comes to what are the things we have in a data studio. To understand that one, here similarly we have here data. These are the managing tools. Okay, all the tabs we have here, menu bar, and this is a quick access bar. Okay, quick access bar here. And third thing here, it is the themes are given here. Okay, themes are given. And this is nothing but a work area where you are generating a report. This is the page where you are generating a report. Okay, these are the grids are there. Okay, it look like a graph. On a graph you are drawing, like that it will be work. And you can view whenever you like to check the preview of your report, we can select this view option. And for example, if you like to change the data source, you already added one data source. If you like to change that data source, where we have to go, in a menu bar we have to select resource and manage added data source. If you like to change the data source or delete the data source or update the data source, we have to select this one, manage added data source. Once you have been selected, it will ask this is the data you have been added. If you like to add one more data source, then you can select here, add a data source, you can select here. Or you can say, if you like to edit this one, you can select edit option. If you like to create a duplicate of this particular data, then you can select duplicate. If you like to delete this database, then you can say delete. Okay, you can delete, edit, or duplicate, or we can add additional data source. If you select edit here, what will happen, it will check here. Okay, these are sales, date of sale. Is it in a date format? Yes, it is in a date format. If it's not there in a date format, you can select here which format you would like to represent. Okay, email is a text only, location text only, mobile number format, name again text format, sales number format, sales number, serial number is in a number format, status in a text format. If anything missing, for example format is not selected or a wrong format has been selected, we can select the format like currency. For the sales, it is not number format, it is a currency, we can say currency. We can say Indian rupees. Like this we can change the format of the data, change the format of the data by editing here. Once you have been edited, we have to select here done. Once you have been edited, then close the editor, you will come back. Then again you have to say, it automatically it will refresh. Okay, it will refresh automatically. And come to here, add data, you can add additional data from here itself, or you can use a refresh button here to refresh the data. Whatever the data you have been edited, it will be refreshed here. This is about how to manage the data and interfaces available in a data studio.